Peace. Many times when I do videos highlighting the crime situation in Jamaica, you will have a few people running in the comment section and talk a manner of crap. You understand how we are painting Jamaica in a bad light and how just negativity we highlight and acid and comfort and how we just in a this rape the country because of views and likes and money. First thing, brother and sisters, me no hungry. You understand? When I do these videos to highlight the issues facing Jamaica land where me love, the country where me pay tax in, the country where me born and grown and have contributed years of my life in trying to advance and develop. So I know the whole of we out here hungry. Some of we just want a better Jamaica. And I will never normalize accepting foolishness in this country. See? So if it means that I go and do some videos from time to time to highlight these things and to put a spotlight on these things so these things can be addressed, then I will never stop doing that. As a matter of fact, this video is not even monetized. I'm not even trying to make $1 off of the video. But it's a show now I go on. And between Sunday and now it is what? Wednesday evening, a bag of foolishness has transpired in the country. A number of people have been attacked and injured and many have been murdered. Body found in burnt out car. So the St. James police say they are now on the verge of identifying a man whose skeletal remains were discovered in a burnt out motor vehicle in the Torada Heights area of the parish on Sunday. Investigators says about 7:30 a.m. a farmer discovered a burnt out Nissan AD wagon motor car on a dirt road. The farmer stumbled upon what appeared to be the burnt out remains of a human being and summoned the Coral Gardens police. Now, upon the arrival of the lawmen, it was discovered that the remains were that of a male. So the scene was processed and the remains removed to the morgue for a post-mortem. Pregnant woman murdered. A 26-year-old pregnant woman was shot and killed in downtown Kingston by a lone gunman who, according to well-placed police sources, carried out the hit after several threats were made to the victim. So the deceased woman, Shantiva Griffiths, otherwise called Tiva, was said to be 6 months pregnant. She was shot multiple times in the head while walking along the roadway about 6:30 p.m. in the vicinity of North Parade. The police, according to a senior official at the Kingston Central Police Station, said that investigators are already probing several leads which they believe could assist with their investigations. We are aware of certain aspects surrounding this matter, one of which is that the deceased woman was reportedly threatened on a number of different occasions, the senior cop said. Now, a relative of the deceased also told reporters that on several occasions, Griffiths was told to leave her job in order to preserve her life. The expectant mother has been described as hardworking and was also hailed as a supportive leader by her work colleagues at the wholesale which she managed. Police probe corporate era quadruple shooting. Investigators are trying to ascertain whether yesterday's quadruple shooting at the intersection of Walton Park Road and Fitzgerald Avenue in St. Andrews South Police Division was linked to a gang feud. The attack took place about 1:30 p.m. when men traveling in a Toyota Voxy opened gunfire on residents. 2 of the injured are said to be in serious condition. Now, head of the St. Andrews South Police Division, Superintendent Damian Manderson, told reporters that a 73-year-old resident was among those shot. No clear motives have been established, but we know gangs have been operating in areas. We are looking at several leads, and I won't say where we are just yet. I might just spill the beans, but we are working to identify these perpetrators, he said. Family of 4 shot in Havana Heights, Clarendon. Father succumbs. A 3-year-old boy is currently in serious condition in hospital after he was shot in the head during an attack on his family on Tuesday evening in the community of Havana Heights in Clarendon. The boy's father, who has been identified as Mark Ricketts, also called Chopper, did not survive the attack. The boy's mother and his 9-year-old sister have also been hospitalized for their injuries. It is reported that the family arrived home sometime after 7 p.m. and that shortly afterwards explosions were heard. When the police arrived, they discovered that the 4 family members had been wounded. No motives has yet been established for the attack. Goat farmers killed. The Westmoreland police have theorized that predial larceny is the motive surrounding the killing of 2 goat farmers. The victims have been identified as 65-year-old Henry Jones, otherwise called Marsen, and 44-year-old Brian Chambers, otherwise called Foley, both of Crowder District in Grange Hill, Westmoreland. Their bodies were discovered on Tuesday morning in bushes in a section of Grange Hill known as Jacob Hill Mountain. Reports by the police are that both men left home about 6:30 a.m. on Monday to tend to their herd of goats on a property located at Jacob Hill Mountain. Relatives and friends grew concerned when they did not return at their usual time, about 10:30 a.m., and went in search of them. The search was called off on Monday evening due to bad light. However, residents continued their search on Tuesday after reporting both men missing to the Grangeville police, who also joined in the search. Their bodies were found about 9 a.m. They appeared to have been chopped and shot multiple times. The scene was processed and the bodies removed to the morgue for a post-mortem. Licensed firearm holder shot dead in St. James. A man was fatally shot in Barrett Hall, St. James on Wednesday morning. The deceased has been identified as Fitzroy Ferron Clark, a 59-year-old Jota driver of the same address. Reports from the Coral Gardens police are that about 8:15 a.m., the victim, who is a licensed firearm holder, entered his white Toyota Coaster bus which was parked at his gate with his firearm in his possession. Unknown assailants advanced on Clark and opened gunfire, hitting him in the head, and made their escape with the deceased man's gun. The police stated that investigations are ongoing.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!